Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now we are seeing north facing house plan under 1000 square feet. And this 32 feet by 66 feet north facing house plan having 989 square feet built up area, and the total plot is about 2112 square feet. And it is intelligently designed to balance modern spacious with core Vastu Sqft principle. You can see the full view of the plans here. And by utilizing north-facing entrance, the home is oriented to attract wealth and prosperity. And the layout strategically places the water and divine elements in the northeast and air elements in the northwest, and the heavy earth element in the southwest. And it ensures an unobstructed flow of cosmic energy through the central Brahmastan and promoting health and peace for the family. Let's get into the plan for the detailed Vastu description and also room by room detailing. Let's get into the plan. And here is our main door. Before that, we have our portico space over here. This home features a massive 31 feet by 11 feet front portico facing the north door, and it is governed by Lord Kubera, that is Lord of Wealth. And this expansive open space in the north welcomes positive energy and financial abundance into the home while providing excellent parking and sit-out space. And upon this, we have our drawing room of size 10 feet by 10 feet 6 inches. Upon entry, you are greeted by a dedicated drawing room, and it is situated on the right side of the entrance and located in northeast corner, that is Ishan corner. And this is the ideal zone for receiving guests and fostering harmonious and peaceful interactions. And coming into the main door, and we have a hall cum dining space. And moving deeper into the home, the space opens up to a large 10 feet 6 inches by 16 feet hall cum dining space, and the area connects all the private rooms of the house. This acts as the Brahmastan, that is cosmic center, by keeping this central zone open and free of heavy walls, and positive energy radiates outward evenly to all the surrounding rooms. And coming to the puja room, and it is directly connected to the hall, is dedicated and very well sized 5 feet by 10 feet puja room, and placed on the eastern wall. This ensures that the family faces the auspicious east direction, the rising sun direction, while praying and inviting spiritual clarity and enlightenment. And coming to the master bedroom, and tucked away at the rear left of the home is the expansive 11 feet by 14 feet master suite, and complete with generous wardrobe space here. And the bed sleeping position we provide here in the south direction. And this master bedroom is situated in the southwest corner, that is Nairobi corner, and it is the zone of earth element. This placement brings grounding, stability, and restful sleep, and making it the mandatory location for the head of the family to stay. And since the Nairobi corner, this is best place for the head of the family to rest, and it improves the stability and prosperity to them. So we allocate this place as a master bedroom. And coming to the kids' bedroom, it is adjacent to the master bedroom, and it is a large of 14 feet by 14 feet space, the secondary bedroom, and it is perfectly suitable for children or guests, featuring excellent natural light from the backyard. And it is positioned in the southeast. There is a zone of fire element, and this promotes active energy, vitality, and healthy growth for younger residents. So we allocate this space for the kids' bedroom, and we have our bathrooms on the west wall. The plan features 4 feet by 5 feet bathroom, common bathroom, and adjoining 4 feet 6 inches by 5 feet common toilet. And an internal staircase are lined up along the western wall of the central hall, and placing heavy structures like stairs and drainage on the western or southern side is ideal, and it blocks harsh afternoon heat from entering the main living areas and perfectly balances the energetic weight of the home. And coming to the kitchen, to the left of the entrance is a highly spacious 11 feet by 10 feet 6 inches kitchen, and features generous counter space and is kept partially distinct from the main hall to contain cooking activity. and it is positioned in northwest wall corner. This is widely approved and highly auspicious alternative Vastu location for the kitchen, ensuring excellent ventilation and smooth energy flow. And backyard space. Coming to the backyard space, it is measured a size of 31 feet by 11 feet and nearing at the front portico. The area of the plot features a massive open backyard and it providing an exceptional cross ventilation and natural light and space for private garden. This is the overall plan, and you can get more plans on our website houseplansdaily.com and houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planners and Business apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.